Hi, hello, my dear third class children. How are you? Are you listening the lessons? Are you listening the lessons? Are you able to understand? Are you able to follow? Children, are you ready to listen the lesson? Yes. Be attentive and listen, Amma. Okay, in the presence of your parents. Okay, children, have you taken your breakfast? What did you eat in the breakfast? Yes. Yes, you have to take idli or dosa or something. Yes, children, do you like to eat eggs? Do you like to eat eggs? Do you know from where do we get eggs? Which birds lay the eggs? Hens and ducks give us eggs. Egg is a nutritious food. Don't forget it. Every day you have to eat one egg. Every day you have to eat egg. Okay, children? Children, which birds do you see daily? Do you know birds? Tell me the names of some birds. Parrot, you know well. Parrot. Yes, crow, sparrow, pigeon, dove, peacock. You know well these kinds of birds. Yes, children. Which bird can talk like you after training? Parrot. What are the beautiful birds? Peacock is the beautiful bird, no? Yes, peacock is the beautiful bird. Yes, children. Can you tell which bird catches the fish? Crane. Yes, crane catches the fish, no children? Yes. Do you know which bird symbol for peace? Which bird symbol for peace? You have to learn in second class also. Yes, pigeon. Yes, children. So, which birds you see daily, ma? Yes. Sometimes parrot, crow. Every day we have to watching the crow. Yes. Sparrow, pigeon. Only few birds. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the birds, structure of a bird. Okay. Okay. We shall learn about more birds, and nesting habits of birds and different types of feathers. Okay, are you ready to listen about the structure of a bird? Yes. Children, we have to see every day many kinds of birds. Birds are, some are beautiful. Yes, some are, some live in the water. Swan, duck, crane also live in the water. They have webbed feet for swimming. Some birds walk on the land. Some birds will run very fast. Ostrich can run very fast. Penguin is a good swimmer. Some birds live on the trees. Where do birds live? Where do birds live, ma? Birds live on the trees. Where do you live? We live in the house. Where do wild animals live? Wild animals live in the forest. Where do birds live? Birds live in the birds live on the trees. Some birds live in the water. Some birds live on the land. Some birds live on the trees. Okay. Birds are different sizes. Some are small birds. Some are big birds. Ostrich has long legs. Some are big bird. Okay. So birds are different sizes and shape and colors. Okay. Some are beautiful birds. No children? Yes. Pigeon and peacock also very beautiful bird, no children? Yes. Okay, parrot is a beautiful bird, no? Yes. Parrot a very beautiful bird. Okay, peacock also very beautiful bird. Which bird has beautiful feathers? Yes, peacock. Yes, children. So now we will discuss about what are the main parts of a bird. Structure of a bird means parts of a bird. So what are the main parts of a bird? See, is it a bird or insect? Is it beautiful? Is it a bird or insect? It is a bird. It is a bird. Is it good? Is it nice? You to draw. Okay, with the help of your parents, you to draw the parts of a bird. Okay. Now we have different parts, no children. Eyes, ears. Okay. tongue, okay, hands and legs. Okay, like that birds also have different parts. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Are you ready to listen? Yes. Okay, so listen. Do all birds need food, Amma? Yes, they too need food. Okay, how do birds eat food? Are they have mouth? Are they have teeth like you? No, they don't have teeth. How do birds eat food? Yes, birds also eat food with the help of beak. Tell me the names of parts of a bird. Do you know what is the name of this part? What is the name of this? Yes, beak. We have teeth, but birds have we have teeth. Yes, we have to eat with the help of teeth. Birds have beak. Yes, beak helps them to eat. Okay, to pick up the things, to hold the things. Okay, so birds have beak. Okay, how many eyes do we have? We have two eyes. How many eyes do they have? They do have two eyes. So this is the eye. Okay, this is the eye. Do you have head? Yes, they too have head. This is the head. Okay, so they too have head. Okay, and we have chin. They too have chin. We have chin. They too have chin. Is it clear? Okay, and also listen. Yes, birds have. Are they have hands? Do you have hands? How many hands do you have? We have two hands. Are they have hands, Amma? No, they don't have hands. Instead of hands, they have wings. Okay, they have wings. How many wings they have? How many hands do you have? We have two hands. Okay, they have two wings. They have two wings. Okay, yes, these are all the wings. See here, these are the wings. And here, these are the wings. Okay, wings help them to fly. Wings help them to fly. Okay, how many legs do you have? We have two legs. How many legs they have? They too have two legs and feet. Okay, they have legs. They too have legs like us. Okay, now do you have tail? We don't have tail, but they have tail. Yes, see, this is the tail. Tail helps to change the direction while flying in the sky. Okay, so these are all the parts of a bird. Okay, head, see, beak, eyes, head, wings, tail, and okay, and legs and feet. Legs, tail. Is it clear, Amma? Okay, how do birds breathe? How do you breathe? You breathe with the help of nose. Are they have nose? They don't have nose. But how do birds breathe? Are they breathe like you? Yes. They too breathe like us. Inside either side of the beak, small holes are present, Amma. Okay, na? Small holes are present. Yes, so here two small holes are present. Those are called nostrils. They too breathe like you. We breathe through the nose. They have to breathe through the nostrils. They too living things. They too need food. They too need air. Okay? Otherwise, they may die. Without taking air, all living things may die, no? Like that. So, listen. Yes. What is the shape of a bird? What is the shape of a bird? Like aeroplane, no? Aeroplane. Like a boat shape. Okay, na? So, what is the shape of a bird? They have lightweight body. They have lightweight body. Okay, na? Lightweight body. They have lightweight body. Okay, na? And strong muscles they have. Okay. They have lightweight body. Okay, na? And what is the shape of a bird? Boat shape. What is the shape of a bird? Boat shape. And also streamlined body. Okay, streamlined means what? Boat shaped body only. So front is narrow, back is narrow, middle is the broad. That shape is called streamlined body. Is it clear? What is the shape of a bird? Boat shape and streamlined body. They have lightweight body. Okay, na? So which is made up of strong framework of bones? Their bones are hollow. Can you fly like a bird? Can you fly like a bird? We can't. Come on, try. Can you fly? Try. We can't. Why? We have heavy weight of the body. Our bones are very strong and weight. But birds' bones are lightweight. Okay. How are the bones? How are the bones? Bones are hollow. Okay. Bones are hollow. Hollow means what? Filled with air. Hollow means filled with air. Okay, now that's why birds can fly in the air easily. Okay, now. So what is the shape of a bird? Boat shape. What? How are the bones? Hollow bones. That's why birds can fly in the air very easily. They have hollow bones. Hollow means what? Filled with air. Empty space inside the bone. That's why birds can fly in the air very easily. Is it clear? Okay, now. So they have lightweight body and strong muscles, boat-shaped body, bones are hollow. Hollow means empty space filled with air. That's why birds can fly in the air very easily. Can you fly? No. Why we can't fly? We have heavy weight of the body. Our bones are very strong and heavy weight of the bones. Okay, now beak. Okay, see here beak. What is the use of beak, amma? Beak, yes. Beak helps the bird to eat. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. Is it clear? Are all they have same kind of beak? No. Okay, now different birds have different kinds of beak. Some birds have short beak. Some birds have long beak. Some birds have broad beak. Okay, some birds have hooked beak. Beaks are different. And different birds have different kinds of beaks. Now wings. Okay, how many wings they have? They have 2 wings. Okay, now what are the use of wings? Wings help them to fly. Okay, now wings help them to fly. How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. See here, how do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. How many wings they have? They have 2 wings. Okay, here 2 wings, here 2 wings. These 2 are the flying birds. These 2 are the flying birds. See here, 2 wings they have. 2 wings they have. Wings help them to fly. Is it clear? How do birds fly? Birds fly with the help of their wings. Wings help them to fly. Okay, now wings have long feathers. Okay, wings covered with, yes, wings covered with feathers. Wings covered with wings and tail covered with feathers. Feathers help the bird to fly. Okay, feathers. Wings and tail, okay, covered with feathers. Wings covered with feathers. Okay, wings covered with feathers. Okay, now, and feathers are attached to them. These wings help the bird to fly. Okay, feathers attached to the wings and tail. That's why birds can fly in the air very easily. Okay, now, and tail, see, the tail of a bird help it to change the direction while flying, like a rudder of a boat. Okay, tail, birds can fly in the air, no, easily. Okay, now tail helps to change the direction while flying in the air. Is it clear, amma? So tail, they do have tail, amma, but we don't have tail. They have tail. Tail helps them, okay, to change the direction while flying in the air. Okay, like a rudder of a boat. Is it clear? They do have feet, amma. So these are the feet, amma. Okay, na. So feet help them to walk on the land. Okay, na. So the feet of different birds have claws. These are all the claws. These 2 are the feet and these 2 are the claws. Claws help the bird to hold the things firmly. Okay, is it clear? So listen. Yes. Yes, Nana. So these are all the different parts of the bird. Let us revise what we learned today. Okay, this structure of a bird means what? Parts of a bird. How many parts it has, ma? They have, so see all these birds only, no? They have beak. Okay, they have beak and eyes, head and wings, legs, feet, tail. These are all the parts of a bird. Okay, beaks help them to eat. Okay, now they too have head. They too have eyes. Eyes help them to see. Okay, and they have two wings. Wings help them to fly. Okay, they too have legs. Legs help them to walk. Okay, they too have feet and claws. Claws help them to hold the things firmly like this. Claws help them to hold the things firmly like this. Okay na, and tail help them to change the direction while flying in the air. Is it clear? Today you have to read the textbook. Okay na, lesson number 4. Okay na, lesson number 4. What is the name of lesson number 4? Bird, a flying wonder. Bird, a flying wonder. Man got an idea. Okay, manishiki. Okay, okay. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, today you have to read the textbook. Okay, don't forget it. Okay. See you later. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.